it going? What can we help you with?
Nothing really. I think I'm good.
All right.
Thank you, though.
Nice camera setup.
Why, thank you. Your phone ain't too bad.
What's the reasoning for filming our property?
I'm just doing some public filming today, that's all.
Okay, in regards to?
Just for fixed boredom, I guess.
Hello YouTube. In today's episode of Know Your Rights, we will be covering a video from the YouTube channel Orange Man Audits. Please take a moment and head over to their YouTube channel and show them some love by subscribing to their channel. Today's videos took place on January 7th, 2021 and January 8th, 2021 in Victoria, British Columbia. The auditor was walking down the public streets and public sidewalks in front of different private businesses when he was approached by members of the general public. For some reason, the individuals that approach the auditor are under the strange impression that they have the right to tell the auditor where he can film and what he can film. Now, let's dive right into today's video and break down this footage.
Yeah, I guess you could call it a boredom cure.
Right.
Looking around at some properties.
Fair enough. Any reason why you're filming me in my little conversation with you?
Well, I normally film most of the conversations that I have, actually.
You need to calm down. You're getting crazy there.
It's cold.
Pardon?
It's cold.
It's not that cold.
Yeah, it's not like you're intimidating me, sir.
No, I'm not trying to be intimidating at all. I'm
Good.
just curious what's going on, that's all.
Well, and if it was any of your business, I'm pretty sure you'd already know.
Oh, well, so that kind of sounds suspicious.
Goodness, what are you going to do about that, sir?
I'm not looking for trouble. I'm just kind of curious. It's rather odd somebody coming by and filming our business here.
Fair enough.
You know, if you got any questions or concern, though, you're more than happy to come in and talk to the owner if you want.
Okay, well, if I think of any questions, I'll be happy to do that for sure.
You know, just seems a little weird. I mean, nobody does this unless they have a reason.
Sure. Well, I mean,
you have a reason you don't want to share it.
You haven't talked to everybody, right? There might be people out here that simply do this out of boredom.
I talk to a lot of people.
Yeah, me too.
All right then. Well, you have a good day then.
Thank you. You as well, sir.
Right. Watch up behind you there, dogs.
Sorry?
Watch up behind you there, dogs.
Thank you.
All right. Take care.
You as well, my good man. Enjoy yourself. Enjoy your day.
Can I help you with something? What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Well, I want to know what you're doing. You're on private property. I wonder why you have a mask on your face.
This is a sidewalk, sir.
This is private property. The whole property is.
So nobody's allowed to take the public buses here then?
We can take public buses, but I'm just wondering what you're doing.
Well, this isn't private property, sir.
Can
you show me where it says that?
It is private property. It doesn't have to say.
It does
You're
indeed.
on private property. But anyways, it doesn't
where's
matter.
it say?
What are you doing here?
It does matter.
What are you doing here?
It's none of your business.
Well, yes, it is.
If you can show me where it says it's private property, I'll happily leave.
You know, I just I'm just asking a simple question.
Yep.
And you're here with a mask.
Yes, because it's cold, sir.
Yeah. Okay.
That's why I have gloves too. I'm here with gloves as well.
I'm just asking if I can help you. It's kind of, you look suspicious. We've got tenants looking out of here saying, "What's that guy doing?" I'm just asking what you're doing.
Well, you can just let them know it's none of their business.
Oh yes, it is.
How
You're
so?
on private property.
Can you show me where it says that?
You're on private property. It doesn't have to say.
It does, in fact.
No, it doesn't.
It kind of does.
I don't think so.
Well, if you can show me where it says it doesn't have to,
No.
then yeah.
Well, anyways, your choice.
Okay.
We're gonna phone. I'm just gonna have phone
And
the authorities and let them deal with
You're
it.
the maintenance man, are you?
Yeah. So.
Yeah. Like I said, sir, if you can show me a sign that says private property, I'll happily leave. Yeah. You mumbling to yourself? No, everybody knows their rights, putz. I know my rights, dumbass. Oh, look, this private's on.
Now you're assaulting me?
How am I assaulting you? Are words assault? Oh, goodness, no. There's no such thing.
How's it going? Are you waiting for the bus?
You waiting for the bus?
No, I'm security.
Okay.
I was told you were asked to leave the property and you refused it.
Is this private road?
Yes, sir.
Can you show me a sign where it says that?
It doesn't matter. We
Oh.
don't have to have a sign.
So how do people know that it's private property then?
You were told.
Doesn't quite work that way, sir.
It does. It
You know,
does.
if you can show me where it says private property anywhere, I'll happily leave. You see how public buses come through here?
Yeah.
That means that's a public road.
Well, actually, it's not. This property right here. This is a courtesy spot.
Oh, so it's not run by the city then. You guys clean and maintain this bus stop, do you? You see the folly of your words, sir?
The point is...
That's private property.
Yeah, and you were on private property over there when you were asked to leave.
I
and
was
you
walking
didn't.
on the sidewalk. I have my entire time here on film. I've never left the sidewalk.
We don't want you here on our property.
I'm not going to go on your property.
You were on our property.
I was not on your property. I was on the sidewalk. I have all
Which
of it
is
on
on
film.
our property.
Calm yourself down, sir. There's no reason to raise your voice at me.
Well, the thing is you're being counter. You know, you were asked nicely to not be on the property.
I'm not on
and
the
film.
property, sir.
Not now, but you were.
I wasn't on the property,
Yeah,
sir.
you were. The sidewalk over there is part of our property. This road here is maintained by us. It's
Oh.
de-iced by us.
Is it?
It's salted by
And this
us.
bus stop, is it maintained by you as well?
No, we don't
Okay.
have to. It's
Okay.
a courtesy.
I see.
It's a courtesy.
And the
For our-
buses that come down here, those are courtesy buses, are they? They're not public buses?
They're for our tenants.
Oh, I see. Oh, so I have to be a tenant to get on those buses?
No, that's
No?
a courtesy too.
I see.
But you don't have the right to go wherever you want and start filming.
I can go on the sidewalk.
Not there. That's private property. On the other side,
If you can
there,
show me
where
a
it's
sign where it
closing,
says that, I'll
you don't
believe
need
you.
a sign.
Okay. I'm done
Don't
talking
need
to
a
you.
sign. You know, and
What's your name?
what's yours?
None of your business.
There you go.
Thank you.
So I'm going to call the police.
Well, if you want to show me where the private property signs are, or the
Doesn't
law
matter, I'm
that
gonna
says
call
you
the
don't have
police.
to, then what are you going to tell them, sir? What law am I
I'm going
breaking?
to tell them you were asked to stop filming on our property and
I wasn't
leave our
on your property.
Yes, you were.
It's all on
We
here.
have a map.
What do you
We
mean
have a map of a private property
where?
that I can show the boundaries.
Where?
We don't need to show you.
So people just have to guess where they're
You know,
allowed to go
yeah,
then?
Yeah, exactly.
Slow your voice.
It's
Calm
like
yourself
if you
down,
walk into
sir.
a bank.
Sir, take a Midol.
Midol is an over-the-counter medication used primarily for menstrual cramping and other effects related to PMS and menstruation. Be sure to consult with a doctor before taking any new medication.
Sir, take a Midol.
Hey.
Calm yourself down.
Watch how you talk to me.
Hey, watch how you talk to me. Lower your voice, sir.
When you walk into a bank,
This
you'll
isn't a
be
bank.
asked to leave.
This isn't a bank.
Bank is public.
The sidewalk outside the bank, they can't
Yeah,
tell me to
well,
leave
this
that.
is
Hey,
our property.
I'm done talking
from
to you.
there
You're
to there.
mumbling. You're mumbling now. Just rambling to yourself.
All right, if you're waiting for the bus, we'll let you leave. But if you come back,
So you're going to try
we're
and
gonna
stop
call
me
the
from
police.
leaving? Is that what you mean?
No.
You can do whatever you
meant
want.
You can stand here. And
This is a
wait for the
sidewalk.
bus, wait for the bus.
Sir, I can
and
stand
then
here and
leave.
do anything I want. You're not going to stop me from doing anything that's not illegal, at least. That's a sidewalk. I can walk
It's
on that.
private
Show me.
property.
Show, the fire hydrant there, do you guys maintain that?
Yes, we do.
Horse shit.
Yes, we
Horse
do.
shit.
See, that's where you're wrong. Because
Yeah.
we dug that up and replaced it, just like you're going to do with that
Sir,
one
would you
up
step
there.
back from me?
No.
Okay.
This is a
I'll
public
make sure.
spot.
Yeah, I know it is, and you are
Right?
invading my personal space.
You were asked to leave nicely.
I'm asking
I
you
don't
to leave.
care about your film.
I'm asking you to
okay?
leave nicely.
No,
Okay,
I'm
see
not
how
going
that
to.
works? Works for me the same way. Oh goodness, now they're trying to surround me, so I should probably walk over here. Yeah, that's good advice. Don't argue with him.
Well, YouTube, I hope you liked this video. And please remember and go over and check out Orange Man Audit's YouTube channel and show them some love by subscribing to their channel. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this one, please consider subscribing to my channel. Also, if you have a video you would like me to break down, please submit the video at knowyourrightsnews@gmail.com. The link is in the description below. Until next time, YouTube, you stay safe out there.